how to redeem cashback for business purchases on Discover Bank Online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you got cashback rewards waiting, well here is how to redeem them for your business purchases with Discover Online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Discover Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now here, you simply have to log in using your credentials and once logged in from the dashboard, you simply have to click on rewards in the top menu to access your cashback bonus balance. And there you can simply select redeem and choose the option to apply rewards toward business purchases or your statement. And there you just have to enter the amount of cashback you'd like to use and then confirm your redemption. And with that, your cashback would be applied instantly, reducing what you owe on those business expenses. And you can also schedule redemption regularly to keep business costs low. And that's it. That's how you can redeem cashback for business purchases on desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get up to date for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.